Congress has played down Uddhav Thackeray's pitch of Ekla Chalo as he severed ties with the Mahavikas Aghadi allies, Congress and Sharad Pawar's NCP. For the civic body polls is what they've announced. The Congress, in the meanwhile, has said that local polls are fought independently. That's the reaction that is coming from the Congress after the Uddhav Sena has announced it straight up that as far as the upcoming DMC elections are concerned, it will be fought by both the Thackeray cousins collectively, that is the Uddhav Sena along with the MNS, and the Congress, an ally of the Uddhav Sena in the MVA, has gone on to say that local polls are fought independently. Listen in.
मुझे कोई टिप्पणी करने का कारण नहीं है और मैं कोई टिप्पणी भी नहीं करूंगा संजय राउत के ऊपर। ये लोकल बॉडीज इलेक्शन मैंने कई बार कहा है कि ये हमारे लोकल कार्यकर्ता और वहाँ के स्थानिक नेताओं को ही विश्वास में लेके लड़े जाते हैं और इसलिए ये चुनाव को उस नज़र से ना देखे। मैंने कई बार कहा है कि जो अभी सत्ता में पार्टी है, 3 लोगों का अलायंस है, वो भी साथ में लड़ेंगे क्या? उन्हें भी अलग अलग स्टेटमेंट दिया है। तो इसलिए लोकल बॉडीज इलेक्शन ये स्थानिक कार्यकर्ताओं के आधार पर लड़ा जाता है, वहाँ के स्थानिक नेताओं के आधार पर लड़ा जाता है।
लोकल बॉडीज में लोकल इशू होते हैं, शहर के इशू होते हैं, बहुत स्थानिक मुद्दे होते हैं। इसके लिए हमको स्थानिक लोगों पर छोड़ना चाहिए, लेकिन हमारे पे दबाव है, लोगों की इच्छा है, लोगों की मांग है। अगर मुंबई को बचाना है, मुंबई पे मराठी मानुस का अधिकार हमको रखना है, तो राज ठाकरे और उद्धव ठाकरे जी को एक साथ आकर चुनाव लड़ना होगा। ये लोगों की मानसिकता और दबाव जरूर है।
Cutting across to Vidya, joining us on the broadcast. Vidya, how exactly do you view the Congress's reaction on this, trying to downplay the severing of ties that the Uddhav Sena has done? Because this reflects what they are also capable of doing in the future, while they may state that these are local body polls and there is a way that they are fought.
In fact, almost every party that we have spoken to, they all are of the same opinion. That they might not be forming any alliance, pre-poll alliance before municipal elections. Remember, as the leaders have been saying, the issues of every corporation, every city is very different. So, and we have over the years, we have seen that corporation, after the corporation elections, if one party doesn't really get a majority, then even with, if there are different ideologies or various other parties, they have formed alliances who actually could not have stood together. You could not have really seen any of these parties together, but they do come together to form alliances and for that particular corporation. So in various, we have seen that, say for example, Congress and NCP were fighting together in the state against the BJP Shiv Sena for years. But in different corporations, we had seen that NCP was in alliance with, say, for MNS or for any other party, or the Congress was in alliance with any other party of with a very different ideology. So there are, in very city-centric areas, we do see different parties forming alliances, either pre-poll also or post-poll, but it is all individually done. It's not at a level of a state leaders actually coming together or at the national level.
We wait and watch how this pans out. Vidya, I want to thank you for getting us details on this. While I request you to stay on with us,